Today we're heading into SeaWorld San Antonio to go see if the lazy river is open, because it wasn't open the last time that we came to Aquatica. But we'll be doing that, doing a few other things inside Aquatica, and then we're gonna be heading to the San Antonio Aquarium to go, what are we doing there? He wants to go check out the bouncy house. We'll go check out what is being offered right now at the aquarium just to see what's going on there. We have passes, so we might as well pop in. But anyway, let's go inside and see what we can see. That looks like the lazy river is open.
Oh, we made it in. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm sorry. Good. I think we're all down at the water park, right? Ready to go to the aquarium? All right, let's go. Woo, we're here. Can't go anywhere without saying hi to the alligators. Oh, he's moving.
He said hi. Yeah,
Oh, look, he's picking up his head. Oh, there's one. See if you can get that one. Oh, look, you can get him. Oh.
Oh, I touched him.
Whoa, he likes you. Look. Hey.
Hey.
Slimy, oh. Had to make a stop off inside the bouncy house. Ah. She's on the move. You got 20 seconds. Oh my God. Go, 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 go. Jump. Oh, almost there. You're almost there. You made it. 20 seconds. This guy is huge. Oh my God, look. Next to my hand. That guy's big. He's like all like tucked back inside of it. Go check out the iguanas. Oh, hey there. Oh, it's so warm. Oh, I just saw you move your mouth. Hey. I didn't notice this last time, but they got this like little smoke feature going on right here. Ooh, that is so cool. There's only one tortoise in here. Where's the other tortoise buddies? I wonder if he'll turn around. Let's see. Oh, he's trying. Look. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Blub, 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 blub. God, I love them. Aren't those the cutest thing ever? Oh my gosh, the parakeets are just out here.
Oh, that's
Hey.
so cute.
Hey. Hi.
Oh, look what I met.
Oh man, I think I'm gonna get in there with them. I've never done this. All right, let me get in there. Are you ready to get in first?
Yeah.
Just step in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this is so weird. Oh my gosh, it's brushed up right against my leg. This is crazy. Oh my god, it's so slimy. This is interesting. This is a very unique experience. Hi. Look, he's gonna kiss your feet. Oh, they're swimming right under me here. Oh, I like this one right here. It's my favorite. That one likes you right there. He keeps looking. That one right there. He keeps looking at you. Oh, look, they're coming to you. Look. Pet him. Aw. All right, buddies. I'm about to get out of here. I'll see y'all later. Oh, man, this is so cool. Oh, check out the kangaroos and the capybara. They're pretty active. He's like on the move too. Don't waddle. We have a larger enclosure coming soon. Oh, y'all are gonna get a bigger place too. Oh, look at that. Is that not the cutest thing? Oh, this is gonna be the new penguin enclosure if I had to guess. I mean, that's my assumption off the bat. Can't be for sure, but that's my guess. Oh yeah, it is confirmed. And this, I'm not too sure what this is gonna be. I guess it's snakes. Oh, you touch them?
Yeah, touch
Oh, I touched them. Oh my gosh, you're inside the squid's mouth. They ate you. They ate you. They ate you. That was pretty good, short visit. Nice day, huh?
Oh no, it happened again. We forgot to do an outro. Well, anyway, that was a fun day, right? We have a lot of fun that day. What was your favorite part about that?
When we go to the water park.
The water park was your favorite part? What was your favorite part about the aquarium?
The bouncy house.
Yeah, I think that's your favorite part about the aquarium, right?
Yeah.
That's
Every single thing is about my aquarium.
That's why you like to go.
Okay. It's because I like everything. I love everything at the aquarium.
Oh, you like everything there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I think my favorite thing at the aquarium is, I think I like the parakeets. I think those are my favorite. I like the birds. We didn't get it on video, but what happened? The bird landed on your head.
Yeah.
It landed on my arm and then it jumped on top of your head.
Yeah.
And then it just jumped right off. That was cool. I just want to go back to hang out with the birds. Yeah, fun day, short video. But either way, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, consider giving a like on the video. Oh, I'm sorry. If you want to see more videos like this, consider hitting the subscribe button. But with that being said,
Have a good day.
have a good day.